To apply to the TikTok program, you now need 5,000 followers, but that is a good thing. Because the barrier to entry is higher now, once you get accepted, the competition is then in return lower, since not everyone can join instantly anymore. There's two strategies that I found extremely effective to get pages to 5,000 followers fast. Now, one requires more time and effort, and one requires more money. If you'd prefer to spend your time growing the page, the best thing that you can do is use an AI software like Simplified AI or Opus Pro or GetMunch or anything like it to clip the shorts of popular influencers on YouTube within your niche. Then you want to take those clips and post about 3 to 5 of them to your page every single day. This is more of an art than an exact science, but it does work. It might take you 2 weeks. It might take you 2 months. But you will get there. It's going to mainly depend on the quality of your videos, of course, and the popularity of that influencer, and then the volume and your consistency that you're posting with it. The reason this works so well is because these people already have a recognizable brand and audience, so uploading their content will get a ton more views than you'll typically be able to get a lot faster. At the same time, you're obviously building an audience of potential buyers that you know are interested in the niche products that you'll soon be linking to. Now, I did a full tutorial on how you can do this very easily, so if you want to implement it, you can check it out at the bottom of the description. That video will also cover why big influencers won't care that you're clipping their content and reposting it to TikTok, and why you typically won't run into any issues uploading it there in case you have any ethical concerns about doing it. Now, the second way is to run ads to get page followers on TikTok. This will get you there a lot faster, obviously, but it also costs more money to shortcut that process. And I did a full tutorial in depth on how you can run TikTok ads to low CPM countries so you can get 5,000 followers the cheapest and the fastest. And that'll also be linked at the bottom of the description. The next thing that you want to do is product research to find the hottest products in your niche. You don't just want to hop on your phone, look on TikTok Shop on mobile, and see what pops up. You want to see the data and the sales trends over time for every single product that's currently selling best in your niche. We want to make sure that we're going after our products and we're spending our time and effort creating videos on products that are selling well right now, not a month or two ago. If you're tired of guessing what might sell, let me show you how to find products that are already trending and flying off the shelves using Zeek Analytics. Now, I've used this site to find hot products for TikTok affiliates, Shopify, Facebook Marketplace, eBay, even Poshmark, and the list goes on and on. It literally spoon feeds you the top products that your competitors are selling right now, and it gives you the ability to quickly find other diamond in the rough products that nobody's taken advantage of yet. Zeek Analytics is hands down one of the most powerful product research tools for any of these marketplaces, and one of my favorite features is their trending product alerts and their hot picks calendar. That's going to show you what's popping off right now. Now, you can also use their product explorer to filter by price, demand, competition, and more, so you're not just finding products, you're finding winners. They also have a sales tracker and a store finder that's going to let you spy on your competitors' best-selling items so you can emulate that and steal a portion of their market share, if not the entirety, and what kind of revenue they're pulling in and even what strategies they're using to scale. Now, this is essentially like having a crystal ball for dropshipping. It doesn't matter the products, it doesn't matter the niche, and it completely removes the guesswork out of it for you. And the best part is you can start for just $1, right? That's enough to unlock all the data that you need to find your next winning product and start making a ton of sales fast. If you're ready to turn hot trends into high profits, check out the link in the description and start your trial with Zeek Analytics today. We don't need to reinvent the wheel, and we don't need to be super creative, particularly when we're just starting and trying to make our first $1,000. You want to eat the low-hanging fruit and emulate what you know is already working. That's the quickest path to sales as a beginner, and it'll help you prove the concept to increase your confidence that this will actually work, so you can then go deeper and deeper into it. So using product research software can help you find proven products that have a high likelihood to sell for you, but you still need to actually make the videos and test them. They might sell for other people, but can you sell them on your page with your videos? Then, as you test products over and over, you'll find out that some might never sell, some might get a few sales, but some might take off. And when you find a product that starts to sell really well, obviously double down on that product and start making a ton of videos linking to it. That'll not only get you to your first $1,000 on TikTok affiliates or TikTok shop, but most likely a lot more. And then it's just rinse and repeat that same exact process. Product research to find the hot products with potential, test them with videos quickly, see which ones work and which ones don't, and then scale the winners, phase out the losers. This is the simple formula that works for me over and over again, and it's the fastest way that you can get to $1,000 on TikTok. But as always, this is just what works for me, so I really hope it helps.